So good afternoon, dear children. This is your English teacher. Now take out your English textbook and open page number 52. So dear children, as you know that we are seeing the question and answers of the lesson Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. Okay, and we have already seen the question answers from page number 52. Okay, and 53 also. Okay, now let's take a look on it again. So dear children, yesterday we have seen some choose the correct answer, that is Robinson ran back to his home as fast he could because he was afraid. Okay, what will be the answer? Answer B, was afraid. Then he could not sleep because he thought savages had come from the mainland. So the B will be the answer. Okay. Now in next, why was Robinson Crusoe sure that it was not his footprint? Okay, why he is so sure? Because he had not come to this part of the beach in a very long time. So the C will be the answer. Okay, you have to write down in your copy. Okay, then where was Robinson Crusoe? Okay, where was Robinson Crusoe? He was alone on an island. Okay, he was alone on that island. Okay, so the C will be the answer. Okay, now let's take out the page number 53. Okay, let's see the page number 53 and question number 1. How would you feel if you saw unknown footprints outside your front door? Okay, if you saw some footprints outside your front door, so what will you do and how would you feel? So the answer will be, you can also write your own answer, but I am going to show you one answer. So I would feel very shocked, first of all, to see unknown footprints outside my front door. Okay, anyone can be shocked to see such kind of footprints outside of his front door. Then I would have told my elder sister, or you can told your elder brother also about it, and then started finding some clues about it. Okay, then what you will do, you will just find out, or you will just observing that footprint and you will just find out some clues about it. Okay, so this will you do. Then the next question will be, if you were alone at home and suddenly someone knocked at your door, what would you do? That means if you were alone at home and suddenly someone knocked your door, then what you would do? So I would first ask. Okay, I would first ask who is on the door, and if the sound were familiar sound, if I feel that the sound familiar, then only will open it. Okay, what you should do, I would first ask who is on the door, then after hearing his voice or her voice, if it is the familiar to you, then only I will open it. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 1 and question number 2 on page number 53. Understood? Now on page number 53 there are some other questions also, that means the grammar portion, regarding to the grammar portion. So the words in the sentences are jumbled. Okay, jumbled means mixed with each other. So write them in order. One is done for you. Okay, what you have to do, you have to just write them in a order. They all are get jumbled, scrambled, you can also say. So first, alone was not Robinson an island on. Okay, so it seems very strange sentence, you have to write it properly. So what is the proper answer? Robinson was not alone on an island. Okay, what will be the answer? Robinson was not alone on an island. Then next, Was island the inhabited? Okay, so the what will be the correct sentence? The island was inhabited. The island was inhabited. Then next, the footprint to someone, this belonged. Okay, so what will be the correct sentence? This footprint belonged to someone. Okay, this footprint belonged to someone. Then take out the page number 54. Then fourth question, I around me looked. Okay, so what will be the correct sentence? I looked around me. I looked around me. Okay, then I went the towards footprint large. I went the towards footprint large. Now what will be the correct sentence? I went towards the large footprints. What you have to do? What you have to write? I went towards the large footprints. Then next, was afraid I now. Okay, what is the sentence? Was afraid I now. Then what will be the correct sentence? Now, then comma, I was afraid. Now I was afraid. Okay, so this will be the correct answer. Okay, on page number 54. Then on page number 54 again there is some fill in the blanks given. Okay, so what will be the first fill in the blanks? I was frightened dash curious. Okay, so what will be the correct word? But, B-U-T, but. I was frightened but curious. Okay, then next, I decided to go to the beach dash I went along the water's edge. Okay, so what will be the correct answer? So, I decided to go to the beach, so I went along the water's edge. Okay, now next, I ran fast as I could because I was frightened. Okay, what will be the correct answer? Because. I was very tired and confused, so the correct answer is and. Okay, so in this type you have to complete the page number 54. Understood? So dear children, this is it for today's video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me. So what you have to write in your copy? The fill in the blanks from page number 54. Then some jumbled questions, some jumbled sentence you have given, and you have to write the correct one in order. Okay, on page number 53. Okay, and 54. Then also you have to write that two question answers, that is on page number 53. How would you feel if you saw unknown footprints outside your front door? You can write your own experience also. Then next question, if you were alone at home and suddenly someone knocked at your door, what would you do? You can also here also write your own experience also. Okay, so dear children, this is it for today's video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me anytime. So till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.